Do it again. Front flip. What the? Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck. Dude, stop doing that.
Please. She's thinking about it. Look at that face. She's trying to do it. There she goes.
I do and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Dipping in the ooh.
What are you saying? What does that mean? Okay.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Oh, we are so mean. We are mean. Yes, we are. Oh, so bad. You are so bad. Yes, so bad. Yes.
Jimmy, come here. I want to touch your fluff. Timmy, I want to touch your fluff. You're gonna eat me when I'm dead, aren't you? God damn it.
Baby, it's me. It's me. It's me, honey. Stop. Oh. Oh. Give me my shoe. That hurts so bad.
I don't have the feeling that well, I could be wrong. Now she's living in the woods.
There's no kidding. This squirrel's balls are stuck in the fence. That poor guy. Hey, you. You got some issues going on there? You got some problems, buddy?
Oh, poor guy. He does not look too happy.
Wow.
Coconut. No. 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 I know what you're doing. No.
Could you be the one to call when I lose control? I need your
Work it, make it, do it, makes us harder.
I don't know if she realizes by her butt is living the dream.
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.